To use Afterpay in store with your iPhone, start by ensuring you have the latest version of the Afterpay app installed on your device. If you don't have the app, download it from the App Store and follow the prompts to create an account or log into your existing account. Once you have the app, open it and navigate to the Card tab, where you will find a digital Afterpay card. This card is what you will use to make in-store purchases. To add the card to your iPhone wallet, tap the Add to Wallet button and follow the prompts to complete the process. With your digital Afterpay card added to your wallet, you can now use it to make purchases in store. When you are ready to pay, open your wallet app and select the Afterpay card. Hold your iPhone near the contactless payment terminal and authenticate the transaction with Face ID or Touch ID. You will then receive a push notification from Afterpay, prompting you to confirm the purchase and select your payment schedule. Choose from one of the available payment options, which typically include 4 interest-free installments, and confirm your selection. Afterpay will then send you a notification to confirm that your purchase has been approved, and you can take your purchase and go. It is essential to note that not all stores accept Afterpay, so it is crucial to check with the merchant before making a purchase. To avoid any issues, ensure you have sufficient funds in your account to cover the first installment, and make timely payments to avoid late fees. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily use Afterpay in store with your iPhone, and enjoy the convenience of paying for your purchases over time.